Hi guys, today I'd like to share my review of Spring Branch RV Park in Spring Branch, Texas. Welcome to Spring Branch, Texas. There are two spring branches in Texas, believe it or not. One is near Houston, and this is the one near San Antonio. What more do I need to say? As far as big cities go, San Antonio is in my top five easily. There's the Riverwalk. I mean, you can't not have a good time at the Riverwalk. Well, if you're up for a little history, you can't miss with the Alamo. Of course, it's quite famous. Not too far from San Antonio is Lyndon B. Johnson's childhood home, and I thought it was interesting because it had a sleeping porch, which I'd never heard of. So apparently, before there were air conditioners, there was such a thing as sleeping porches, where everybody in the family had a bed out on the porch to enjoy the cool breeze. Perdenales State Park is fascinating. It's just around the corner from the campground and it has all these very, very interesting rock formations. I was just mesmerized by it. You can also drive 10 minutes any direction from this campground and find a huge Texas style saloon. I love that. I really, really love that. Okay, so I've talked about the location. It's a fantastic location. Go 10 minutes, 30 minutes, any direction. You're gonna have a neat time. But what about the campground itself? Well, I gotta tell you, it's basic but very unique. I mean, you have a laundromat, you have very modern and clean shower and restroom facilities, you have a basketball hoop. But here's the feature attraction, the barn. Sometimes it's just one thing that makes a campground, that makes its personality special, and it's the barn. This is the office. It's a place where you can get free coffee. There's a couple picnic tables. It's where people come to hang out and chat in the morning. I love the barn, especially on rainy days. Hey, it's time to give you my rating of Spring Branch RV Park. Let me go ahead and punch in the numbers here. I would definitely stay at Spring Branch RV Park again. Yeah, I mean, I just love this area. There's so much to do all around. A lot of neat little towns to explore, state parks, and then San Antonio is right down the road. It's a great location, and I love getting up in the mornings and visiting people over a cup of coffee in the barn. Great spot. Well, I hope this information has been helpful to you. If it has, do me a favor, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. That helps my channel grow. Well, that's all I have for you today. Safe travels, and I'll see you next time.